This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can enable and set up the timed capture feature in this camera. To start, power on your camera, then swipe downwards from the top edge of the display to launch the control panel, and here look for the alarm icon. Then tap on it, switch on the timed capture, and now we can change and configure its preferences and options. So first, set at what time you would like for your pre-planned or pre-scheduled shooting or capture to start. Once the preferred time is selected, set for how long you would like for the video to be recorded. So, well, for as long as possible, for as long as the SD card will have an available space. This infinity icon stands for that, or some particular time period, anywhere between 5 minutes and 10 hours. Then you can also make it repetitive or, well, schedule it to automatically do stuff each day or once every day. That is up to you. Then you can also select what shooting mode will be activated for it. There are all the modes you can regularly choose from, all the video modes to be exact. Or actually you also can do that for photo, as you can see, and both 360 and single lens shooting well, modes. Now you can also adjust the shooting parameters or shooting settings for whatever shooting mode you have selected, as well as image parameters. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.